Let's go ahead and rough the inside of this out. There's a number of different ways you could do it. I'm just going to do it with a high-speed pocketing operation. And let's go ahead and we'll select our last operation. We're going to go to 2-axis, pocketing, and we're going to select, we'll just select this bottom edge since it's circular at the bottom. So there's our perimeter that we're going to pocket. And for the tool, let's go ahead and use our 1/2 inch flat end mill for that. Well, let's go ahead, let's just create a tool. Okay, so let's go over here and we'll do an end mill. And let's do, instead of 1/2 inch, let's do a 1 inch. Okay, 1 inch. And we'll change this to tool diameter of 1, shank diameter of 1, the same flute length, same shoulder length, same tool length. Everything else is going to be the same. And we're going to pick Save as New Tool, Exit. So now we got the 1 inch, and we're going to go to the cut parameters, the tolerance, change this. This is actually going to be a roughing and finishing at the same time. So we'll have a tolerance of 1,000, a stock of 0. We're going to do a high-speed cut pattern. And in the high-speed pattern, it's going to start at the center of the geometry, which is the center of our hole, and then it's going to spiral outward. So let's go ahead and the step over, leave that set at 25%. We'll do a cleanup pass. Okay, for the cut levels, the location of the cut geometry is at bottom. And for the total cut depth, we're going to just go ahead and pick 2 points. Since it's 1 1/16. Okay. For the depth per level, we'll just go at 1/8 of an inch. And for the entry, it's going to be a path. So what's going to happen is it's going to enter in a helical motion, and when it starts cutting, it's going to start expanding outward till it gets to the perimeter. Okay, so let's go ahead and fit arcs. Okay, let's go ahead and generate that. Okay, we don't have any arcs, so let's go ahead and see why we're not having arcs. Let's go into the CAM preferences. Go to output control. You want these boxes unchecked if you're going to output arcs and helixes. So pick OK, and then we'll regenerate. Okay, so now we have dark blue motions, which are circular arc motions. So let's take a closer look at this. So you'll see that it's a circular entry motion or a helical entry motion, and then when it engages, it's just one continuous high-speed radial motion. Okay, so let's go ahead and simulate that. Okay, we got that hogged out or finished out. Let's go back over to the Program tab. Now,